KEET TV presents Homework Hotline, the after-school show that fuses learning with fun. Watch local teachers bring the classroom on air and online. This is Homework Hotline.
Welcome to Homework Hotline. My name's Pam Halstead and I taught science at Fortuna High School.
My name is Amy Taylor and I teach 8th grade math, integrated 1 and 2 through Zoom, going to Sunnybrae Middle School kids. Yay!
Yay for that! We had a lot of fun on Tuesday with inequalities and learned so much stuff in Amy in her math classes. It's awesome. Well, today we're going to take a look at some science activities.
Yay.
And this one is Christmas science activities, and I don't mean to exclude Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and all that, but it's just that, you know, Christmas has also, I know each holiday has its own thing, but Christmas is like the trees and the ornaments and all that stuff, so there's a lot of sort of science things that we can do with that. So cool. Anyway, yeah, and if you want to know more than this, you can always go online. There's all kinds of them. So we're going to start, Amy. Well, let me first go over what we're actually going to learn. So on the PowerPoint that we have, this is what we're going to learn, and it's one of the things is solubility, and that top picture shows a solute dissolving in a solvent to make a solution, and so that's what we're going to be doing. Not quite yet, but close, and we're going to be looking at the solubility actually of candy canes in different solutions. Then crystallization, so we're going to make an ornament with crystals. And then chemical reactions, we're going to have something exciting happening in a container that we have. And then additionally, static electricity, and that is going to be using a PVC pipe and some tinsel. Anyway, it's fun, and let's get to it, Amy. All right, so in front of us here we're going to start with dissolving candy canes. So both of us take 2 of these candy canes. And we're going to take the candy canes out of their stinking wrappers. These wrappers are pretty tight. Here, use these.
Okay.
The
if it breaks, is it bad?
No, well, I have so many more, so don't even worry about it. All right, so the idea here, Amy, is we're going to be placing these, these candy canes. It's all good. They're kind of weak. But the candy canes in these different solutions.
We just
and
need
the
a
solutions
piece,
are,
right? We just need the base.
Hey, Amy, I'll do that part. Maybe I shouldn't. I'm not very successful. Okay, this is sad. This might be a comedy show, Amy. Okay, may I have this?
I think sometimes
all
we
right.
are a comedy.
This is the dollar store.
Math
No
and science
offense,
teachers get together.
Yes,
it's
we get together
show.
and it's true. All right, you know who really cares? Because we're going to just stick them in and
we just
watch
need some
them happen.
parts.
It's solubility of the thing. Okay.
Yes, we just need some parts.
You know what? Let's also label, Amy. I'll take care of that part. I'll take care of it. And you're going to label each one of these. Don't worry. They're going to be pieces. Here you go. You're going to label. Get ready to label these.
Yes,
I'm labeling. These are our containers. Okay. The labeling is cold for cold water.
Okay, cold for cold water.
Cold for cold water.
Do you want me to write like cold water?
No, just cold's fine. I mean, we know it's water, so we're good. And it's the only thing that's got a difference in temperature. All right, H2O feels better. Okay, that's good. And so we'll put this candy pieces in there. Okay, it's all good. And then
we got some plastic.
Oh dear. And then let's go hot. We're gonna go hot.
The next one. Okay.
Wow, yeah.
We're gonna go.
If you like your candy canes in pieces, buy this brand. Okay.
Hot water.
Okay, hot water. Exactly. Hot H2O.
Yes.
Like your use of the chemicals.
Exactly.
Oh, wait, and what happened to the other? Did you have them both? Are these?
Yes, these are the pieces.
Okay. Okay, then just put in. Oh, and let's label this one.
We got enough
oil.
pieces. See, we have enough pieces.
Oil. This is olive oil. If you want to be specific.
Olive oil. That changes when you cook. If you do like vegetable oil versus olive oil versus canola oil, that kind of stuff.
Yes, actually, olive oil is supposed to be good all around. I drink it every morning.
Oh, interesting.
Like just in my smoothie, on my smoothie. Yeah,
interesting.
It's healthy. Okay, then the last one's going to be vinegar.
Oh, did you want to put some in here? Some pieces?
Yes, I do pieces. Oh, yeah. Do we really know? It doesn't matter. We'll be able to see.
Like, I'm just curious.
It's white.
Because you know how there's apple cider vinegar?
Yes, I do.
White vinegar.
Okay.
Vinegar.
Awesome.
A-R. It's
all
very
right.
small.
Beautiful. Okay. We're going to now place the various. This was cold, right?
The first one's cold. Yes.
Let's put a little. All we need really to do is to.
Excuse me.
Cover it. No problem. Cover it in the. Okay. Super. Now, do you have an idea about which one you think? So solubility, everybody, is the ability of a solvent to dissolve a solute. And the solute in our case is what?
Candy cane?
Yes, the candy canes. The candy canes are going to be the dissolvee, and the water is going to be the dissolver, yes. And I think we'll just not use it that much because I need it for other experiments. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's beautiful. And then we're going to use olive oil.
Olive oil.
So be thinking about this. Which one do you think will be the
I know
cold
water
the
shouldn't
highest
probably
solubility,
do anything.
which means it will dissolve
How much do you,
Oh, just cover it. Just cover it. No problem.
the rest of it, use all this?
Oh no, don't use it. What?
Something like that?
Oh sure, because just whatever's in there. Unless we break that, let's just break it. Because the other one's all broke. Why not? Okay.
Okay, perfect.
And then our vinegar.
I actually don't know what would react.
Yeah.
Sugar?
Yeah.
Maybe the vinegar?
Okay.
Break it down?
All right, we're
know,
going to find out. It's okay.
I mean, it's all chemical reactions, so you just have to know what's in each of the things.
Yes. Actually, in this case, yes, there can be chemical reactions, and definitely if you were thinking that the vinegar was the one, there's also physical reactions. No, that's okay, not reactions, but there's physical changes. And the physical change could be just that it causes it to dissolve faster, rather than actually making a change. Because with vinegar, you're thinking probably that's an acid, right?
Yeah.
And reacting with maybe there's a base in the candy cane. See, who knows? That's the cool thing about science. We're going to find out because we're actually testing it. Awesome.
Okay.
Goodie. All right, so that is our first.
Oh, so they just sit for a little bit. So
they sit for a little bit, and we're going to observe them at the end, actually. We're going to take that much time with it.
Okay.
All right. This one is more complicated. That's all we need, right?
Okay.
Okay, so let's just take this. We're going to make an ornament, actually.
Nice.
But we're going to show you what the steps to take to make this ornament, and yet then you'd have to wait overnight.
Okay.
But we're going to use some cool stuff. So.
Okay.
All right.
I'm ready for
so
some
that
cool
you may
stuff.
take one of these and make your own ornament, like this one. This is not a great one, but nevertheless, it is an ornament that I would be hanging. So here's the deal. These are the specifications. We can make this string a different length, but it can't touch the sides, okay, of this. So here, you can use that to test
not really an artsy
and don't worry,
person,
it doesn't matter. You can make a circle, a spiral. It's all good. Star.
Just one piece of this?
Yes, yes. Okay. So this is a very amazingly useful product. It's called borax. It kills ants. It cleans clothes. It cleans the bathroom. I mean, it's fantastic, and it is not easy to find in grocery stores. I had to go to Ace Hardware to get this. So, in order to, we need 3 tablespoons of it.
So you said the only thing is that it can't touch the sides.
Yes.
Okay, I think I'm good.
And here's what you're going to do. You're going to. That's very good. Nice.
I'm very creative.
You're going to
attach.
You may select your own Christmas pencil.
Okay.
Select your Christmas pencil. All right. Yes.
Okay.
And then you will be tying and you have the scissors.
Okay.
So you'll be tying this. So it's going to be hanging like say around there.
Like that. Okay.
Yes.
But what's with the pencil? Oh, I'm gonna hold it like on
yes.
Okay.
And yes. So you'll attach it to that. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'll be pouring this out into here. It's neat. It looks like it's a white powder. Oh. And there's a product that kills ants called taro, and this is the main thing that
is
ants,
it? Oh,
yes,
interesting.
Yes. There's something to attract the ants, and then it kills them because the ants take it back to their. You know how ants are, though. Some people it works, and for some it doesn't. It works in our house, but our neighbors doesn't work at all.
It just depends.
I know ants are very, very good survivalists. I have a ton of ants outside of the house, but inside I don't want to say anything.
Yeah, don't say anything.
Once it starts raining, they will be coming in.
Do not say anything.
No. All right. I want to jinx it. Okay, so I'm going to take a little scoop of this. Got to be even. And it makes your hands a little dry. When I bought this from Ace Hardware, the guy said he uses it to dry his roe. And roe is the eggs that you get from a fish like a salmon and then you want to use that to catch other fish, and it's pretty gooey, so he treats it with this, and it basically dehydrates, so it makes the eggs.
Okay. I think we're okay.
Okay.
Let me just see.
We need a cup of
My very creative.
warm water.
Oh, there we go.
Not yet though. We can't because we have.
Okay,
this.
I'm good. Got my
Sweet.
awesome.
You're all ready to go. Good job.
I cannot do things fast, nor I'm not super.
No, it's
artsy,
okay.
But if I had more time, I
you're doing
probably
great.
could have figured it out a little bit.
Right.
But it's okay.
Okay.
Circles, math,
All right.
pi.
Nice. Okay, we got 3 of these in here. Now we're
So
just hoping
you
this
did 3 tablespoons of borax.
3 tablespoons of borax, and I think that's on our
Slide.
the slide, yes. And then we have 1 cup to 1 cup of hot water, and that's the thing that's kind of
this
tricky.
is the hot one, right?
Yes, that is the hot one. And so
Okay.
we need 1 cup, and here I have.
String, spoon, pencil, pipe cleaner, jar.
Oh, my
Okay, we
Lord.
got everything except
Yes.
the spoon.
Right, and this is a half cup.
Oh, the
so
spoon is what you're using to measure.
measure
maybe.
yes, it is. We had a spoon and then also stir.
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and you have your. I will do it.
I'm holding my my ornament, my beautiful ornament. All right.
It's gonna look really.
So it's 1 cup, you said? I forget. Yes, 1 cup hot water.
Yes, 1 cup.
Those are
Okay.
half cups.
Very good.
Okay.
We're preparing for at the end of this the show season. We're actually going to be making stuff like a cooking show. We'll have it like a cooking show.
Oh.
I'm kind of excited. Okay, so here we go, and stirring it. It seems like I did this last night and I used the wrong temperature of water. So in the morning there was nothing that happened. Because it definitely needs to dissolve the borax, which seems like it'll take forever. Let me just check the temp is warm. It's not like super warm. It's more like lukewarm. So that's all right. This is just a demo anyway, but you can see how thick it is. That's kind of crazy, huh? That
Yeah.
we had 3 tablespoons of it.
Almost looks like milk.
It does.
Don't drink
for sure. Yeah. No, don't drink it. Definitely. It says counters and appliances, laundry. I mean, this is an amazing. A great product. All right,
Okay.
so here we go.
Are we putting it in now?
You can put it in now. And
that what we're
so what
supposed to
you
do?
want is you're gonna, yes, but you're gonna leave it there for an entire 24 hours. So what you have to do is you have to make, I never told you this part, sorry, that's important.
That's okay.
Yeah, that has to hang from this. So see, like that had a little hole in it, so.
Can it like lay on down here and then lay like this?
Yeah, no, because I don't think
How
it
far
can.
away did you, I thought
So-
you were just going to hold it in there. Oh.
No, you're actually not, because you're gonna make it so that
Oh, it's supposed to like lay on
Yes.
there. Oh, I did not know that. It's
I know,
fine.
I left that part out, sorry, that's kind of important. Tie string to ornament and pencil, hang ornament in mixture.
Okay, I
That's
see what
what
you're
this-
saying.
okay.
You want the length to be there to
Yes.
the pencil that's just
Yes,
like right
you
here.
got it.
Okay.
All right, this is my ornament from yesterday, or I mean last night. Yes, okay.
Oh my goodness,
I know,
too short.
it's very tricky. Wait till you try tying knots in tinsel. It's very frustrating. This string is pretty much a piece of cake compared to that.
Yes, okay. We can use yours though, you know.
Yeah, use mine. Sure, let's make it easy because we saw what you did. It's very nice. It's a circle. That's great. Okay.
Okay.
So all right, I think it's 2 here. I kind of messed up. So, oh, well, this is too large of an ornament, but whatever. It's okay. You got the basic idea.
I can just work on it too.
Okay. No, it's no problem. My ornament is. All right. Anyway, so it sits in there, and so
Okay.
what happens is, so what we just made is a super saturated solution, and if it all dissolved and the water was hot enough, then the whole thing would dissolve, and then we would have dissolved more of the solute than we could at room temperature. So because it's warm, what happens is it allows the solvent, which is the water, to collide more often with the solute, which is the borax. And as it does that, it's able to cause it to dissolve better. So that's why you use warm water when you want to make sure that things dissolve. I mean, in most cases, for most substances, that works. As you raise the temperature, you increase the solubility. So
Does that happen with everything?
no, there are some, I can't remember what they are, but
Like
yeah.
our candy cane maybe? Like sugar?
No, I think, because well, we're going to find out. I don't
yeah,
want
we
to
don't wanna-
give it away. I'm not
don't
giving
give
it
it
away.
away.
No,
Don't give it away.
not giving it away. So we have the ornament, which is so good. Look, you can just roll it. So we got the basic idea. Yes. All right. So if this sat
it touching?
overnight, it would
No, it's not
the temperature would go down. You would not put this in an oven or anything, or you could put it in the refrigerator if you wanted to. But as that happens, the crystals come out of solution and they actually grow, which is pretty cool. And here's what they would look like. So this is an actual. Now we have the PowerPoint again. Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
So it is. This is
So
somebody.
did you say you want it hot like all night long?
No, you don't want it hot all night long. You want it to cool slowly, slowly cool. So that's how rocks get crystals in them, like granite gets crystals in it. It's a igneous rock, which is a volcanic rock that is near the surface, and so it had molten stuff in it, and then as it cooled, it got closer to the surface, it cooled, and as that cooled, it allows the crystals to come out of.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, of the magma. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So it is neat. Yes. So there are many sites online also that go into more detail, and there's videos also. But of course, you could rewatch this one, which we would recommend because we like you to watch it again. All right, nice. So that is our number 2 activity.
Can you put more than one in, or does it have to just be one?
But the only thing is they couldn't touch each other because once they do
gotcha.
that, it sort of
We'll
messes
just have
it
them
up.
hang out in there
Yes.
together.
All right. So now we have
Okay.
some excitement. We're gonna make this is normally called elephant toothpaste, but we're gonna call it reindeer toothpaste. Yes. Okay. Like I don't know that the reindeers might be insulted because they think they have dirty teeth, but too bad. They're related to Santa and this season, so good. Okay, so here's what you need.
Okay.
So the ingredients that we're gonna have is we're gonna have some soap. We need bubbles, so we
I
need
think the
soap.
kids have watched this on like YouTube or something. Where
Oh,
it's the
yes.
huge ones.
Oh my
right?
gosh,
Yeah.
yes.
We're doing small scale.
Oh, wait, and did I brought
But it is
hydrogen
very,
peroxide?
it's like very exciting.
Oh my Lord, did
What are
I
you
forget
missing?
the hydrogen peroxide? Oh, Amy, I think I forgot the hydrogen peroxide. Is that
It's
impossible?
okay.
No, is that not okay? Because we can't do this.
Well,
Oh, what? That was
look,
really
someone
exciting.
might have some.
Hydrogen peroxide. We're gonna get some. We're getting some.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
Are you sure it's not? Oh no.
No,
I
it's
don't
good.
think-
But let's start. Let's do this, and we're hydrogen peroxide perfect. Thank you for Valerie. You're going to get some. So let's prepare the yeast. The first thing
Okay.
we need to do
Okay.
is we need to use. I think I have the information back here. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast to 3 tablespoons of warm water.
Okay.
Would you like to?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to put borax in the yeast though, so let me do a wipe off or a rinse off, as they say. Oh my goodness, are you serious? You guys are fun. Oh no, no! And it's 3%. Oh my goodness. I love you. And look, it's fresh. Okay, so I want to tell you something.
Okay.
This
Did
is
you want me to put this into this yeast?
Yeah. Oh, is it? Maybe it should be dry.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Okay, let's just dry it off.
Okay, so do you want me to just do 1 to 3, or do you want more, like 2 to 6? What are you looking
No,
for?
it'll be okay because
Just 1
it'll
to-
be great
1
because
to
we're
3?
using a smaller size
Okay, so
of this.
1 to
Yeah.
3. Okay.
So you can buy different strengths of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to dye your hair. It can actually make your hair lighter in color. And that is 6%. Then you can also buy 12%. But we're not wearing goggles. Both you and I wear glasses. But you would need to for 6% and 6% and 12% are more exciting reactions. But we're talking here about stuff you can do at home safely. So that's where we're
Do you
going
want me
with
to
this.
stir this up, or
Without Valerie, we'd be
do you
up
want me
a
to
creek.
stir this up, or?
Yes, perfect. Stir it. Thank you. Okay. Awesome. All right, so we need 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, which I'm going to pour very carefully into the bottle. Need a funnel? Yes, but I don't have one.
Dish soap,
that's
food
okay.
coloring. We're getting close.
We are. Oh my, my, my. There we go. We're close enough. All right. So we have 1/2 cup of this.
Okay.
And then can you give me a good squirt of soap?
1 squirt.
1 squirt. Yeah. Great. I
that
love
enough?
it. Okay, now here's the other trick.
Okay.
We want this to be reindeer toothpaste.
Okay.
So we want it to be green and red.
Okay.
So here's how we
Okay.
do it. I'll give you the red.
Okay.
And I'll take the green. And we're going to now,
Wait, does it come out through?
yeah, here, open the top just like that. Just like push it sideways.
Oh.
There you
okay.
go. Yeah. All right. So wait. No,
Okay.
don't drop it in.
Okay.
Okay, it's tricky. I'll do it with mine first.
Okay.
You want it to run down the side of the bottle.
Oh, jeez.
I know.
Okay.
Wait. The other thing we need to do is mix this.
Okay.
Let's do that. We're mixing hydrogen peroxide and soap. The hydrogen peroxide is going to react with the yeast. The yeast is going to make it react, and hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. So it has, what are the two elements that are in H2O?
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Yes.
Two hydrogens to two oxygen versus water that's two hydrogens to
Yes,
one oxygen.
that is so true. So it can break down into oxygen bubbles, which it will be doing when we add the yeast, because the yeast helps the reaction to go. So it breaks the hydrogen peroxide down into water and oxygen. And then the bubbles are created by the soap.
Nice.
Okay.
So
here I'm going to give this a shot. We'll see what happens. Maybe if I do this. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. So see that? I just like down the side. Okay.
Okay, we'll see.
All right. I know, it doesn't require much. That's perfect
More,
too.
or?
No, it's awesome.
Okay.
That's great. Okay. So now we will replace our food dye. Thank you, Safeway. And we will now, how's it going? Is it starting to react? Is it bubbling tiny little bit? Maybe a little bit? Yeah, it's got bubbles. We got some bubbles. That's great. Okay. So you are going to, yes, here, this is the rinse cycle there. Okay, so we'll just pour it in there.
Oh goodness.
Good,
Is
do
it scary?
No, well, it's not dangerous.
Like fast or just slow?
Yeah, just go. Do it. Yes. Nate. Okay. And believe me, the stuff that comes out when you do 12% or 6% is like, blah! But it's pretty neat. The colors inside of this are awesome. Red and green is sort of separated. Oh, well, you can see it there on the side too. Yes, and Amy, this is safe. It's just, it's one, I have something to say.
Okay.
This is
plus heat.
Exotherm, yep. It's an exothermic
When you do the chemistry
or an
reaction.
endothermic
Yeah,
reaction.
because you do those, because you do it and at the end it says you write plus heat.
Yes, plus heat.
Yeah.
That's totally it. And plus heat means it's which one, endo or exo?
Endo?
Endo is actually takes in and then
Oh,
exo gives off.
exo,
Like
okay.
exit comes out.
Okay.
No, look, thank you.
I haven't done that since like my freshman year of college, which was 20 years ago.
So it's really neat.
But actually more
and
than
if you do use the stronger hydrogen peroxide, I'd advise that you wear goggles, of course, and then also.
Can it burn you?
No, it doesn't burn you,
Okay.
but it's just that it makes it like this whole thing will be full of but it reacts more strongly.
Oh,
but it's kind of
fun.
neat, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
It's a fun little thing you can do at home and have some fun.
And then you put the colors you want in it.
Yes, exactly.
Cool.
So yeah,
that was fun.
Yeah, that was cool. All right, so I'll put this over here.
Thank you, KEET, for having.
Yes, thank you so much. Holy mackerel. I don't know what happened there, but I had so many things.
It worked
just too much for me. Okay, now we have tinsel, Amy, which you're going to find is just kind of difficult to deal with. But hey, I think we have paper towels.
Right here.
Here we do. Perfect. Okay. All right.
I have a
So,
science show
Amy,
without paper towels.
Here's what we're doing. You're
5
gonna
minutes. We have 5
You're going to
minutes.
get 3 of these.
3.
You get 3. I'll get 3.
Okay. 3.
Okay. I have a ruler.
1.
Let's hope that I brought a ruler. Don't I have a ruler somewhere?
I don't know.
It doesn't really matter.
We can guess.
What is wrong with me? Okay. No, that's all right. So here we go.
Okay.
Okay. So you have 3?
Yes.
Okay, that's good because more is crazy hard.
Okay.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to tie a knot on one side, and then we're going to tie another knot about 6 inches away from that.
Okay.
And I want to also thank Ace Hardware for having PVC pipe because I didn't have any at home.
My husband
And
made
I
a
remembered
Santa
it.
display out of PVC, like the frame from it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Where it's like the dancing Santa
Oh, that's
with
so
lights.
neat. Yeah.
Yes.
Are you doing better at this than I am?
No.
That's the. I did go and I did it myself after it took me many times. So here, this is one.
Yes.
This is going to be a little ornament.
I'm not good with pressure timed things.
No, and here I made 2 of them for us because I knew it would be hard.
So 6 inches apart, you just tie it again?
Yeah, tie it again. You're doing great, man. I haven't even made the first one, I think. Okay. What we're doing is we're making a little sort of ornament because it doesn't look like an ornament now. And by the way, let me move on to the next thing. Here we go. It's called the dancing ornament.
I don't know if that's 6 inches, but
Just probably fine. And then you want to trim the ends.
probably too long.
Trim the ends. It's okay.
That's too long. It's probably 8 inches.
Here,
Okay.
this is 6 inches. Actually, I did measure it before. Okay.
That's
It's
not
close
horrible.
enough. Yours will be bigger.
Okay.
Just trim the ends.
Okay.
Okay. Sweet.
When you start tying the knot, then you don't know how
I know.
long it'll
You have to
quite be.
remember to save time to look at our
Oh
solutions
yes.
over
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's
so
do it.
now,
Or yours.
yes. All right. Here's my PVC pipe.
Okay.
And I brought my vest has a thing that where if I rub this on this, I should be able to
Okay.
charge it.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to.
3 minutes.
I'm charging this.
Okay.
What that means is I'm taking the electrons from the vest here and I'm placing them onto this pipe. And this works a lot better if it's dry outside and not humid.
Okay.
So
what am I doing with my thing?
you are going to place it on top of this.
Okay.
Put it on top. Put it on top. Okay. All right. So it just took up the electrons and now, okay. So what's supposed to happen is once it takes up the electrons, this has electrons and that has electrons, and you're supposed to be able to like juggle it, kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now I saw it happen. If you go
Here,
online,
you
can
work on
definitely
that
see
while
it.
we talk about this.
Oh yeah, cool. Let's do that.
Or we can
you
use
go.
one of yours too.
Yeah, use one of mine. It's little. It's smaller.
Okay, so
All
we're
right.
gonna start with
So
cold water.
Yeah, let's start with cold water.
I don't
Hey,
know if you can see this.
That's
or
pretty-
We can turn it this way.
okay. Cold water. Okay.
Cold water.
So
a
there's
little bit.
like we can judge by the
way
amount.
more hot water.
Way more of it's dissolved.
Yes.
Sweet. Okay.
Oh, oil, nothing. It's a
Yeah.
full candy cane.
Oil doesn't do anything to the candy cane. And hey, what's going on with the vinegar? Something?
Yeah,
but-
it has like chunks in there.
Well, I think we already had chunks from the candy cane anyway. So it seems like, though, if we look at them.
But I mean, as far as it looks like stuff's coming off of
Okay.
it more, like it's not all.
All right. So is it a tie between the hot water and the vinegar?
No, it's
Is it more the hot water? Yeah. So we sped the molecules up with the heat, and that allowed them to ram more hard into the candy cane, which then caused it to dissolve faster. All right, Amy, we're going to try this again.
we go.
Try with one of my little things. All right, so the trick is this.
Okay.
Okay. We drop it onto this,
Okay.
which makes it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, all right. We'll try it again. All right, there it is. Okay, come on. I can make it get electrons, but I can't make it repel. I can make it attract, but not repel. All right, this is great.
60
It's okay.
seconds.
You
Woo.
yourself can try this at home. Try it on a dry day, and it should be fun.
On the
It's very fun. Yes, and the tinsel works well because it's so light. So light. So under normal circumstances, if this was working, it would be up here, and I'd just be like this and repulsing it the whole time. So anyway, yeah, that's here. Where's the other one? Are they both on the floor?
It's okay.
All right, let's try it again. And you guys, we so hope that you have a wonderful holiday.
Yeah,
because-
happy holidays.
Yeah,
this is our
true.
last time
Whether
on.
it's Kwanzaa or whether it's Hanukkah or Christmas, it's
Or
all
just hanging out with
a
your
celebration
family
of
safely.
Yes, do it again.
Happy holidays.
Yay,
Thank
happy
you.
holidays. Bye, guys. And, oh, all right, it's negative. That's good, I guess.
See you.